I am standing on a gorgeous 10-acre horse property in South Bozeman, listed by Krista Menzel of Remax Legacy. And it also comes with a great house, but wanted to show you the horse stuff first. I counted 6 pipe corrals here, all with nice roomy runs and shaded. And then this is a tack shed. And then beyond that, we have an arena that is 150 by 225, so I know that's something every horse person out there can appreciate. We'll get a better look at the arena later, but let's check out the house. So this home has a traditional style outside, but it has been completely remodeled inside. And right now we're coming in the front entry and then into this sitting area with this gorgeous see-through fireplace. This here is the dining room, and this could fit quite a large table. The kitchen has also been completely remodeled, has high-end appliances and finishes, half bath off the hallway, and then a laundry room. And then that door goes either to the backyard or over towards the guest house, which we'll also be showing you. This is the 2-car garage. And then heading back down through the kitchen towards the primary bedroom. Another look at the dining room here. This living room has vaulted ceilings, lots of light, big windows, and the other side of this gorgeous fireplace. There's a coat closet right there, and another half bath. We've got a main level primary suite, which I know a lot of people are looking for. Double vanities, huge walk-in closet. And this bathroom, like the rest of the home, has been completely remodeled and features radiant in-floor heating, which is really nice when you're stepping out of the shower on a chilly Montana morning. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, we'll find 3 additional bedrooms, a bonus room, and an office space. This is one of the bedrooms. It's got built-ins and a closet. And here we are looking down over into the living room. This is, I think, probably the largest bedroom. It's got a built-in bench, a closet, and then it connects to the bathroom, which also connects to the hallway. So very versatile, whether you have guests, hobbies, or working from home, it's got everything you need. And this is a great little office, again with built-ins, and the best part is you're looking right out over your horses. And then coming further down the hallway, we come through this kind of common space, which could be a study area. And we've got another bedroom here with built-ins and a closet again. And again, through the common area. And this is what we're calling the bonus area. No closet in that one. And then a quick look down the hallway. And now we're heading outside to the guest house. Here we've got views of the Bridgers to the north. I didn't get very good footage of this, but let's just check it out quickly. Features an open living, kitchen, and dining area, 2 beds and a bath, so great for guests, a rental, or even a farmhand. Here's one of the bedrooms, good sized closet in there, and the other bedroom. Let's check out a little bit more outside again. So we'll get a little bit better look at the arena here. It is again 150 by 225, which makes it big enough for performance horses, working cow horses, roping, definitely big enough for dressage, so ample for whatever you want to do. I'm Karen Cox with Silver Creek Realty, and thanks for watching my channel, Montana Home and Horse. To schedule a private showing of this property or any other property, give me a call. I'd love to show you around. And subscribe to my channel for more horse property tours and horse life in Montana.